Grand Lisboa Palace. So we're here on the Cotai Strip. We're kind of in the middle of a bunch of construction, and we're gonna take a bike around it. And we'll try anyways. There's a bunch of people getting out of work too. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Grand Lisboa. This place is going to be opening anytime soon. Let me just show you a little context of this. So over there is, you can see Studio City way in the distance. That's all Cotai Strip that way. This is going to be a new casino here. There's a lot of construction right next to it. I don't know what this is all going to be. Up there you can see the Macau's prison. You can see some factories. You can see a landfill over there, which I didn't realize was there. I never really come way over here. But I got my bike today, so it's easy to get around. And we're gonna take a little trip around the Grand Lisboa Palace, and I'll tell you a little bit about the status. Right now it's June 2020, and I think in some ways I'm kind of documenting what this is like, because someday it'll all be different. A couple years from now, this thing will be just another place that people will crowdedly attend and go to, right? Okay, let me see if I can navigate this little strip. I'm one-handed on my bike, so in case you're curious. And then I'm also filming and distracted, so anyways, this one is there's a lot of entrances. I went around it by bike at nighttime recently, and I kind of noticed there's like entrances on every side, and they all look kind of grandeur. So you can see that nice fountain over there. And every time I come, I always end up talking to a security guard, and I just kind of ask them, oh, how's the project going? And they always kind of say the same thing, that it's closed at the moment, but it's and I think they were going to open up, but then COVID happened, so everything kind of was nothing could really open up, right? But the building looks massive, and then I don't know what's the future of everything, but I can see all these other casinos being built over here. There's like indoor skydiving. There's a whole other little network of stuff right here in this blue building and yellow building. But that'll be another video. And you can see lots of people that are still going to work here. Lots of construction workers. So, yeah, lots of construction workers. Okay. I guess they're doing. So I don't know, it looks pretty cool. I thought that, I kind of had the feeling that they were all finished, but maybe not. And you got, it's right now it's like 6 o'clock in the evening, so it looks like people are getting out of work. So we'll see if we can, these are like little construction quarters, so you have to go through there in a certain way. And this is going to be our next casino. So I don't know, I think I might just close this casino, this one right here. And I did do some videos of this one before, so I'm pretty anxious to get over and do this one, this neighboring one. It looks really amazing. So we're going to find out what that's all about too. It looks like that's going to be, well, that'll be another video. But anyways, this is going to be right next to Grand Lisboa. Then Grand Lisboa looks really grand and big. And way over there is MGM, MGM Casino, and Wind Palace is over there too. So, okay, hope you enjoyed this one of the Chiquinha.